Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 53, perimeter and measures of a circle. So the perimeter of a rectangle is the segments that form the rectangle. It's the outside lines all the way around. And that's what we call the perimeter. Okay? And it can be on any shape. It doesn't have to be, or any polygon. Okay? So when we add up the perimeter, we always add up the length and the width of each side. Now, when we're doing perimeter, we think of length as being the longer side and width as being the shorter side. Okay, so to find the perimeter, I need to add up all four of these sides. Well, I know on a rectangle that opposite sides are the same. So if the top is 3 centimeters, that means the bottom has to be 3 centimeters. If the right side is 2 centimeters, that means the left side is also 2 centimeters. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to do 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So my answer is 10 centimeters. Is the perimeter of this circle. Okay, so notice when we find the perimeter, we added the length plus the width and the length plus the width. Okay, so we added 2 lengths and 2 widths. So we could say that perimeter, the formula for perimeter is perimeter, which we show with a P, equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, because I have 2 widths and 2 lengths. So it says use the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle in example 1. Okay, so in example 1, that was this rectangle here. So using this formula would look like this. Okay. So it says perimeter equals 2 times the length. Well, my length equals 3 centimeters. So it'd be 2 times 3 centimeters. Sorry, I wrote that wrong. 2 times 3 centimeters. There we go. Plus 2 times the width, which is 2 centimeters. Okay, so 2 times 3 centimeters equals 6 centimeters, and 2 times 2 centimeters is 4 centimeters. 6 plus 4 equals 10 centimeters. So it works either way. Sometimes it's easier to multiply first instead of adding all the numbers. Okay, now a regular polygon has lines that are equal in length and angles that are equal in measure. So for example, this is a regular triangle. That means that all of the lengths are the same and all of my angles are the same. A regular quadrilateral has 4 sides and all the lengths are the same and all my angles are the same. A regular pentagon, all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. Okay. A regular hexagon, okay, all of the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same length. You get the picture? Okay, so if I know one side of a regular polygon, I can find the perimeter. So this says, what is the perimeter of this regular triangle? Well, since it's regular, I know that all the sides are the same length. So if this one equals 12 inches, that means this one is 12 inches and this one is 12 inches. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to just so a triangle has 3 sides and the length of each side is 12 inches. So I'm going to do 3 times 12 inches. And 3 times 12 is 36 inches. Now I could do 12 plus 12 plus 12, but I'll get the same answer. Okay. All right, so let's talk about circles now. So circles have a smooth curve. And we say that the length of the curve all the way around Instead of calling it the perimeter, we call it the circumference. That's because we use perimeter for polygons, and so we wanted to call it something else. And circumference has circ in it, which is kind of like circle. Okay, so the circumference is the line that goes all the way around the circle. Okay, the center of the circle is what we call the middle point. Okay, or the center. Okay. The radius is the distance from the center to the side of the circle. The diameter is the distance all the way across the circle. Okay, it goes all the way across. Okay, so the diameter goes all the way across, and and the radius is half of the diameter. Okay, because the radius is just from the center out. Okay. All right, so the radius, if I do the radius times 2, I'd get the diameter. Okay, all right, so let's practice some more perimeters. Okay, so A says, what is the length of this rectangle? Remember, the length is the longer side, so the length is going to be 5 inches. Then it says, what is the width? It's going to be 3 inches. And then it asks for the perimeter. So remember, the perimeter equals 2 times the length, which is 5 inches, plus 2 times the width, which is 3 inches. 2 times 5 inches is 10 inches. 2 times 3 inches is 6 inches. 10 inches plus 6 inches equals 16 inches. Okay. All right, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.